Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today let's find out which OS is the animation king. Today we'll compare Samsung's OneUI 6.1 with that of OxygenOS 14.1. And you guys will be the judges. Let us know in the comment section below which OS has better animation. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we have two phones towards the left hand side. This is OnePlus 12 and it's running on the latest build of OxygenOS 14.1. And towards the right hand side we have Samsung S24 which is running on the latest build of OneUI 6.1. I won't be talking much in this video, so you guys let me know in the comment section below which device performs better. Now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, we haven't made any kind of changes in the animation. Here you can see both the devices are also running with 120 Hz. First let's start with the screen off and on animation. I'll play the video in slow motion also. And here I do feel OneUI 6.1 has better transition because on OxygenOS 14.1 the screen instantly turns off. We only see that smooth transition when the screen is being turned on. Now let's talk about unlocking the device. In terms of unlocking the device, I would say OnePlus has better transition, or you can say animation. And now let's see the control center animation on both the phones. And here if you see, the initial animation is good on OxygenOS 14.1, but later on if you swipe more, the animation is better on OneUI 6.1. But when you close the notification center, I would say transition is better on OnePlus smartphones. And now let's see app opening and closing animation. I personally like the blur effect, what you get to see whenever you long press on the applications on OnePlus smartphone, which is not to be seen on OneUI 6.1. And here you can see the difference while opening and closing the app drawer. Here you can see the Wi-Fi pop-up menu on both the OS. I feel it's better on OnePlus smartphones. On OneUI 6.1 we only have the opening transition, but there's no transition when you close it. And here you can see the recents page, which I feel is better on OneUI 6.1. It's a lot fast compared to what we get to see on OxygenOS 14, which is kind of slow. And at last, let's take a look at the animation of widgets. So overall, what I feel is OnePlus still has upper hand in terms of animation and transitions. There are few places where OneUI lacks in transitions. OnePlus have almost done everything perfect, but still you guys let us know in the comment section below, according to you guys, which device has better transition, or you can say animations. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.